How to issue a refund of a payment on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can refund a payment on PayPal. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to refund a payment on PayPal, log into your account and click on the Activity tab located at the top of the screen. So as you can see over there, the Activity tab. As you do so, you'll find all of the payments. So just find the payment you want to refund and click on the name of the payer. Now click the refund this payment option. So right over here you can see the option called refund this payment button that appears under the total amount. So just go ahead and click on that. And next step, what you want to do is enter the amount of the refund you wish to issue. If it's not a full refund, add a note if you'd like, and then hit the issue refund at the end of the bottom of the screen. And that's that. The money is headed back out of your PayPal account to where it came. And that's all it takes to issue a refund on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.